Hello you guys and welcome to Autism Mommy Makeup. Wow, can't believe it's already October, so hopefully you guys can know what time is it. Well, if you don't know, I think you've seen from the beginning, for me it's called HalloMist. Now, before anything, you're never too old to get into the Halloween spirit, so please, if you're into it, go ahead. You could do whatever you want. And yeah, so in today's look, hopefully I put a small little clip in the beginning. If not, you'll just have to be here with me and have fun with it. Okay, so let's play around with some makeup today. Let me try to walk at least little by little. If not, it's just gonna be a simple over voice because I don't live in the most quiet neighborhood. But what can I do about it, right? So let's get this started. Okay. So first, I'm just gonna do my face off camera, and then we'll go in with the specific details, and let's have fun with it. Okay? See you later. I'm going to be doing my brows like that, looking all sad. Did not put concealer under my eyes, even though they're not really that much dark. Two days ago, it was really bad. But let's see what I could do to make it more subtle look, like a kind of like a person that you miss. You see sad crying and stuff, but still look she did something wrong. So let me just do a simple eye look, and I'm using using Orgy as a palette, or any nude color would work. Do a nude look and we'll see from there. I'm going to curl my lashes right now because I want to do something a little different. With a little bit of eyeliner just to line up the eye area. Not something crazy, just a simple eye look. So see where I finished right now at this point. So here's where I think the magic happens. So right now what I'm looking for is somebody who is sad, who's crying, who's upset because they lost their husband. I guess you could call it like that. So I'm going to intensify a little bit of my baggy eyes, and that I'm going to be using Cremation and Orgy together. Now just bear with me, okay? And also simulate like crying tears. So I'm gonna grab a brush and just go underneath that eye. Grab my other brush and smudge it out just a little bit. I'm trying to make myself look like I have been crying for days. Kind of working because my eyes is all red. So I don't know why is it red, but I know it's not allergies. I'm not allergic to this makeup. I've been using this makeup for a long time. You see what I'm doing? I'm making it look like if I've been crying for days. Here comes what I consider my favorite part of the whole look, which I am going to be using. So I'm going to be using the blacks on both of these ones, which is called Hearse and oh my god, Glory Hole. However, I have to Google something right now real quick before I do anything else. With the smallest brush I have, which this one is from Moda, It's round 1 BMD 2503. Okay, and I'm gonna do the outline first to kind of get the guy where I want it to be. Okay, perfect. I'm going in with cherry soda and prick, like a combination of those two. It's a beautiful color. To put the thorax and kind of like outline a little bit of what is it? These eyeliners are so nice. I'm gonna write the name of it on the bottom and put the link down below on where I got these specific ones. There you go. Now I'm gonna take the rest and finish. Now let me go in with the legs. There you go. You see? The Black Widow. Okay. Now for another part. So I don't know if I should do one here. I'm undecided. No, I should just for the finishing touch. You know, red, so the iconic red lipstick. So I'll be right back. Now I know what I'm gonna do. I'm like thinking about like that place looks so bare. So I think I know what I'm gonna do. Now for the red lipstick, I'm going to be using from the Shane Dawson collection and Jeffree collaboration. Are You Filming? Now to go on top of this red, I'm going to be using Red Affair, from the Supreme Gloss collection that he has from Jeffree Star. I'm going to just smudge a little bit here.
How is it now?
Better. Yeah, you guys, so this is the finished look. It's, for me, it's called the Black Widow. Iconic, I know. Not really. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Now I took this idea from the idea of, you know, a Black Widow spider, you know, if it was a person. And yeah, the spider bites, you know, being poisoned and stuff like that. It's just an idea. I never seen one in person. I just googled it and decided to do that. I hope never to see one in person. But yeah, Just a nice little look that you could probably do if you're in the office. You can't really dress up. You know, you could just do this. Put something on your head and you'll be fine. You don't really have to go into heavy makeup. You could just do something very simple, very small. You know, you can even do it with your own makeup that you have at home. And yeah, not something very inexpensive that you could do. So hopefully you enjoyed this look. If you had fun, and my eye's still red, it works with this look. It wasn't intentional, but there we go. If this eye was working with this side as well, then I think it'll probably be a completed look. So yeah, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can enjoy HalloMist with me and just keep going along the way. Alright, you guys. So yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and hit those notification bells so you will know when I post the next video. It's never too old to get into the Halloween spirit. Bye bye.